Before the Revolution was fought with muskets, revival fires spread across the colonies. A newborn faith reshaped how Americans saw authority, freedom, and destiny, planting the ideas that would soon ignite revolution. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Please like, subscribe and share this video and channel. By the 1730s, colonial religion felt distant and formal. Churches preached order, obedience, and hierarchy, mirroring the authority of king and parliament. Then came George Whitefield, a traveling preacher whose booming sermons drew tens of thousands into fields, streets, and public squares. Whitefield preached emotion, repentance, and personal salvation. You didn't need a priest, or a crown, to stand equal before God. Preachers like Jonathan Edwards and Gilbert Tennant spread the message, challenging old churches and established authority. For the first time, colonists from New England to Georgia shared a common experience, listening to the same sermons, reading the same pamphlets, thinking as one people. If ministers could be challenged, why not kings? The awakening taught colonists to question power and trust their own conscience. Many future patriots grew up in the awakening's shadow, including Ben Franklin, who was an unconverted friend of Whitefield's, trained to resist tyranny, speak boldly, and believe liberty was God-given. Before muskets fired, words did. The First Great Awakening didn't start the revolution, but it taught Americans how to defy authority together.